thing on the... It's bloody fun.
25th of December 2004. Time is... I don't know, it's about 8:30.
Have you opened yours yet?
Crazies. Hello! What time is it?
2:15.
Is it 2:15? Christmas Day 2004.
Yeah. We're watching live.
Watching Live Aid. Actually had dinner yet. Christmas drinks. I'll just show you the turkey. There she is. Cooking like a good one. Not much occurring outside, as you can imagine. Got Elaine at Anastasia CD. Okay. One sec. And that door is out of bounds today. I'm not allowed to go in that door. Not allowed to go in that door, am I, Elaine?
No, you're not.
I'll see you shortly. I'll probably film when we're dishing up dinner or something. What else can you do with it?
Will you please welcome America to Live Aid Day? Like everybody else around the world, have a good day.
Going for its second session in the oven. There's the bacon strips.
They're coming down.
Doesn't it look lovely? Just put the tatties on. Elaine's just going to cover it up with foil again. Can't you, Elaine?
Yes.
In there we have cabbage. And in there we have spruce. And I'll be blowing off tonight, baby. Are you ready for that?
Yes.
Have you your gas mask?
Yes.
As you can see, Elaine's drunk most of the booze.
No, I have not, chicken so.
Table set up. DVD's on pause. And we're in the kitchen now just preparing turkey and things. our Christmas dinner. It's Bird and Matthews for two. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
You're supposed to drink it.
Sorry.
No, no.
Night.
We're going to eat our dinner now, so we'll talk to you later, yeah?
Bye.
We're going to pull our crackers in a second. Do you want to pull our crackers while we're filming?
You mug.
What is it?
It's a plastic elephant.
Cool.
It's a wee. Wayne had the third piece of bad luck, and if he smiles again, you'll see.
You see a gap?
Yeah. His filling fell out. Oh god, that's scary. He's gonna have a wee shave now because his new shaver's not charged up yet, and then he's gonna have a nice shave and then maybe have a bath later with his new smellies.
Yes, I will. Are you gonna join me?
I might do.
We're gonna have a smelly bath. We've committed a sin. We're on the computers on Christmas Day. Oh, you had your head your hang in shame. Head your hang in shame. So what are you doing on the pooter?
I'm uninstalling my old Sims game because you bought me the new Sims game and I'm gonna install it.
Right.
So I'm just uninstalling. That's Wayne's screen name. I've never been on that one. I never checked my email at all.
Just filming the messy flat.
No, don't.
What date is it today? Is it 27th? 27th of December 2004. And Ben's just going to sleep. Good night. See you in the morning. Say hello to the camera.
Bye.
Night.